Praise a shepherd. Archbishop Janan Luwum. The year was 1977.
Bishop Janan Luwum akaba ari Archbishop w'ekanisa ya Uganda ku rugaro rw'Omurwenda nshanju n'ena kw'isya rw'Omurwenda nshanju na mushanju. Reverend Kanana Abasa Edison waburra mukuru ogu yashaba abantu okurwanira obusinguzi omukwikiriza bwe bakwekwasa Ruhanga akwecho kureberaho cyo wabirorisha barisa Janan Luwum
no kurwana kugira ki okurungi imperizo rugendo rwanjye kandi ikindi ndi inzuro kwikiriza. Have you kept your faith? Ori inzuro kwikiriza kwawe ninga emirundi mingi tukwehakini.
Reverend Kanana Abasa yaburira abantu kugira amazima obwe batabihabisibwe bintu byensi
bamuhereza shirinjo mutwaro gumwe aferwa mbazi kubambaza kureto mwirwaro rwitungu twena guturagurire tugira amagara corruption ukweyendeza mwena abantu kutenda ebiruho ebishemerire ebiruhanga rukwenda mwenje manyisa ngo habaho mwebembezi orukwebembeze birungi ogwensite rukumwenda.
Omutima bw'omugenyi mukuru komishona w'ebyijikizo ha ministry y'ebyoburambuzi owajwekyerwa Mugume Amon ori omukugu omu bya sayansi ha National Museum yashaba abantu kuguma bwe bari kwegarikamu omu mikorere yaabo obwe bakwijuka ekiro eki.
In standing firm, he showed us that integrity before God must remain stronger than pressure from the world. Today's theme calls each of us to reflect. What does it mean to stand firm in our own time? It means upholding truth even when it is unpopular. It means defending what is right even when it is costly.
Associate Professor Bishop Sheldon Mwesigwa mureberezi w'obureberezi bwa nkore yasima omugenzi Janan Luwum ab'okutandikaho amaju g'ekanisa kuhwera abaheereza omu by'entaasya.
Yatandikira ekiteekateeko kya Church House nikyo kurebera ngu nibageta Janan Luwum Church House. Akanarebera hare naenda n'ebyentunguuka bibase kubaho ekanisa ebase kweyemerezaho. Rumumu harimu ebintu bingi ebitukumwegeraho.
Bamwe abantu abayirebireho bwebembezi bwa Janan Luwum baho obujurizi aha byagenzire omu maisho aha kwitwa kwa Archbishop Janan Luwum.
Amina kiyapisa omushaho yatera Luwum isasa omu kanwa yafeeraho kwonka mwini akali omuntu w'omujaguja gwakyo ya stage managinga ebakweta motor accident yagenda abantu abo bashatu yabato motoka ejo yabenerebeka ngu neya accident ati abantu bisirwe baferire omu motor accident tino bisire
so mwihanga aha nsonga eyi Archbishop yayanzire kugira eki yagamba amini taramwikiriza kwonka akazongoza omutwe nayanga ebyo ebyo abakomereho.
Dora Bagona owatwireho na Archbishop Janan Luwum yashobora akakwata kiyabira aine nawe
yona neito tuliowe cyakiro obuzima tubaje nkamukunda munonga kandi akatworora mbwera kandi wetu mukama simu
Miaka
nyine omukwa kataminyija kinana na mushanju nyine kinana mukaga obwo twabe twimwine bubarasi ninkaga n'eshatu.
Buri biro 16 kwa kabiri buri mwaka Uganda nejaguze ekiro eki eky'okwijuka Archbishop Janan Luwum. Ogu gwaba guri omurundi gw'okubanza bureberezi bwa nkore kujaguza ekiro eki kwijuka Janan Luwum. Abwa tayari Western Susan alina omukisa omurimbara.
Voices in Wales brought information of his appointment. Archbishop of Uganda, he was announced by Canterbury.
Ladies and gentlemen, up front is Baramese for school with a poem entitled
Truth Mistaken to a Gun. He was